Hi, today I have another unboxing courtesy of Sticker Mule. Sticker Mule is a company that I've been very happy with in the past. They do a regular sale about once a week, and because of that I make a point of keeping track of it, and if I have art that I think will work in one of these sales, I make the order. And this has become a lot easier lately, ever since I got Procreate with my iPad. It allows me to turn any sketch into art very quickly. Another fun thing is that it records time lapses of my drawing process, which makes for good videos like that. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, the sale was for magnets, and let us see how they turned out. Anyway, here it is, the purple Rhino magnet, and looks very good. I am happy with it. I will definitely keep recommending them, and definitely allows me to have more merchandise for later. You all have a great evening.